Hello everyone, welcome back to MAPS e-learning. In this video, we shall discuss associativity for multiplication. Children, are you remembering what is associative property of integers under multiplication? The product of integers does not depend upon the grouping of integers. That is associative property. In general, for any three integers a, b and c, a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. Now let's watch this video. To learn about associative property for multiplication, let us consider two examples. Consider any three integers, negative 3, negative 2, negative 5. Now look at product negative 3 into negative 2 into negative 5 and negative 3 into negative 2 into negative 5. Look at these products. In the first case, negative 3 and negative 2 are grouped. In the second case, negative 2 and negative 5 are grouped. Now let us see whether these two products are same or not. Negative 3 into negative 2 into negative 5. This bracket means we have to do this bracket first. What is negative 3 into negative 2? Negative into negative, positive. 3 into 2, 6, positive 6 into negative 5. Positive 6 into negative 5. Positive into negative, negative. 6 into 5, 30. So the result is negative 30. Now let us check what is the second one. Negative 3 into negative 2 into negative 5. Bracket is in the second part. So negative 3 into, what is negative 2 into negative 5? Positive 10. Again, negative 3 into 10, negative 30. Look at the result. Here negative 30 and here negative 30. Let us consider one more example. Consider negative 5, negative 3 and negative 6. Same as above. Look at negative 5 into negative 3 into negative 6, bracket is here, and negative 5 into negative 3 into negative 6. In the first case, we grouped negative 5 and negative 3. In the second case, we grouped negative 3 and negative 6. Now let us watch the result. Negative 5 into negative 3 into negative 6. What is negative 5 into negative 3? Positive 15 into negative 6. What is positive into negative? Negative 90. Negative 90. Second one, negative 5 into negative 3 into negative 6. Bracket is here. We grouped negative 3 and negative 6. Negative 5 into positive 80. What is negative into positive? Negative 18 into 5, 90. Look at the result. Both are same. We get same answer in both cases, in both examples. So what we can conclude that the grouping of integers does not affect the product of integers. That is what associative property. The product of three integers does not depend on the grouping of integers. That is what associative property. Now we can generalize this. What we can say in general, for any three integers, a, b and c, a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. This is what associative property. I hope all of you understood. Thank you.